Ai, akan vein dal thei ve. Mấy khu chuột in này về em. Được. Cover. Cool.
How much your game sucks, keep it on the low. Cause my ears can't take it anymore. You freaking faggots, please don't let it show. Fake MCs,
So like that, some calma.
You skirt up and watch the face you provoke. Now you blow, choke, lock and overdose. Scope, take note. You got me serious like a scout, so you bound to capsize if you rock the boat. Watch me spit the venom with no antidote. Suck the MCs and bitches, pay for your miscoats. A crossbreed between the lamb and the scapegoat. Let you play the game, but the system you overload. Now you turn me to freak mode. Backpacking, one rhymes and code. Heard your trap, what the fuck did you holler me for? Or you thought I was smacking behind closed doors? Use a wangster, surfing porn as a hobby. Or maybe them blue pills fuck your mind crazy. No flows, no rhymes, bald-headed wannabe. Is that your bitch? Yeah, the boy named Daisy.
How much your game sucks, keep it on the low. Cause my ears can't take it anymore. You freaking faggots, please don't let it show. Fake MCs, they don't wanna know.
Aray mapon ang bida charge ang siya hati ang soy. Miso ming cherampon lam hoy. Loy lo do pui nung chon mi chung na taka free mini si. No pang titia kay hian zo trong tiam lo wan ti le. Sai lo tang ba doi ngai lo hian. Miso trong tiam ngai tiam lo han bi chiang te niang. Nun tui ringa ong pha san tin in zun kum hin lai khan. Ang yan liang trang belin. Zai tin kan vor kam ning re pian. MLTP min huam lo a si lo fa. Kan zil ten che sing mi zeleng zong zinga niam tu nge a huam lo le. Violent ham dang an chen na poram dang la fe. Kong nge las kar sai lo kan zo teng le.
Oh, amakan mo. Yang selalu mengisang ni sampah metkola ni mo. Amanu akan kutta zindagi ke liye dikasihkannya. Joram milti mo itu di luar.
They don't wanna know how much your game sucks. Keep it on the low. Cause my ears can't take it anymore. You freaking faggots, please don't let it show. Fake MCs, they don't wanna know.
Damn right, I be a player for real. Me and Ace, we so close, I would chip and zing. I got so many rhymes, I gotta set my scene. I'm on a mission, be on top, I can't fail. Now I'm chilling, drinking on my ginger ale. I'm sending fake G's to jail, no they can't get bail. They rhymes are so whack, I bet they kinda stay. I bet they rhymes are so shit. Can't you see I'm so good, I'm OG for real. I don't just drizzle, I set my sights on hate. I know you're scared of me, but don't bite your nail. Suckers MCs running cause I'm on that thing. I'm just a newcomer, but don't bite your name. I'm just getting started, not ready for my veil.
They don't wanna know how much your game sucks, keep it on the low. Cause my ears can't take it anymore. You freaking faggots, please don't let it show. Fake MCs, they don't wanna know.
It started simple with a pad and a pencil. Drop your shit, make hits and watch on cable.
SMG
regulate your set, get your status stable. Now they tell your story as a fable. The truth is, I try to lead an example for little kids in the hood living lives with no label. Make him think from inside their temple. Make him life stable cause they're able. Yo, don't get me wrong here, I ain't soft and mushy. Just a positive mindset, so don't get pushy. You don't wanna bite off more than you can chew. Believe me, fool, I demolish you and your crew. Where the fuck was you when I was killing MCs on the microphone known as the ACE? Let's get it straight here. You're just another wannabe. Say it through your tears, there will never be
They
another
don't
me.
wanna know how much your game sucks, keep it on the low. Cause my ears can't take it anymore. You freaking faggots, please don't let it show. Fake MCs, they don't wanna know.
Oh yeah, next time you got a problem, address me before you make it a public issue. Then I won't have to drop no tracks to send your mofos. And if you ain't down with that, here's a dictionary for you. English to Mizo. Swallow it down.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 3 songs to you because you are so dear.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Little angel, I know there's a lot bothering you. My conscience tells me this ain't gonna do